my sewing friends. Let me tell you all about my vacation.
Woohoo!
I'm Jen, and this is my sewing room where I'm so glad to be back after a 2-week vacation to see family and to stop by the scrap exchange. And my husband and I went to the Biltmore, which is a big estate near Asheville, North Carolina, and it was built by the Vanderbilts. And it is magnificent. It is some kind of a place, I gotta tell you. So what I want to tell you about is the people that I met and the stuff I got while I was on my trip. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the scrap exchange, because the scrap exchange, this is like a thrift store for crafts, all manner of crafts. If you create anything and you go in there, you will find stuff. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what kind of crafting or creating that you do, you will find stuff. And I didn't find much this time, but I found some people. First off, I found Linda Capel. She told me, and of course it's gone right out of my head, but Linda, it was so wonderful to meet you. I was standing there going through patterns, and she walked up and introduced herself, and it was wonderful. We had a wonderful conversation. And she has worked in craft stores and has a huge knowledge of all kinds of things related to that. And so I was so glad to meet her. And then I met Cathy Shepherd. And Cathy had a friend with her at the time, but we talked a little bit about just, sewing and being there at the scrap exchange, and what are you looking for, and here's what I'm looking for. And of course I'm standing in front of the patterns, of course. And I have something on my channel down in the description box that I stuck on there a long time ago, because I thought, well, yeah, that would be nice. Nobody ever uses it, which is totally fine. One person I think did, which if I did not say thank you, thank you. It's called a Ko-fi, K-O-F-I, and I'm not telling you this because I want you to go, oh, I'll go get a coffee for her. It's a thing where, you can buy me a coffee, and basically it's like a tip jar. I don't even know why I put it on there, I don't know. Anyway, so Cathy is standing there, and she said, I've never bought you a coffee, but here. And this is a little Starbucks card for a cup of coffee. And I just thought, oh, she got that from me? Like, did you realize that I'm a Starbucks card carrying member and that I love coffee so much? I try not to go to Starbucks very often because it's expensive, but she thought of me. It was just so kind. Thank you so much, Cathy. And then I was with Mary Petaway, who I met last year. And she and I walked around and decided the pickings were slim this time at the scrap exchange. There just really wasn't very much. Linda found a couple of things, but actually she found me a cart. And there just wasn't that much to see. If you wanted home deck fabric, there was a ton of that. The patterns were okay. To be honest, I thought that they were probably going to be about $1 a piece. And I thought, there's just not very much in here that I want. What I did do was I called my friend Trish, and I had her on FaceTime, and I said, okay, I've got patterns here. What do you think? What do you think? And so she picked out the ones she wanted. Well, I got to the register and they were only 50 cents each. And in fact, I think I got a couple for a quarter, or maybe they were a quarter a piece. It was unbelievably cheap. Okay, well, I did get 2 pieces of fabric, and it said that I got a notion, but I don't know what the notion was. I don't know what, if I put it away or what I did with it. These little bundles come like this, and they have a tag on them that tells you how big and how much. This is a 44 by 44 inch piece of what feels like either 100% cotton knit or ponte. Feels like ponte to me, but I have a feeling it's just cotton knit, like an interlock. It was $2. So it's about 1.25 yards of 45 wide. and this is the first time I have looked at it, and it's got a line going up through the middle. That's probably why it was on. Can you see that? That orangish kind of, oh, looks like somebody's marked it, maybe, because there's a line going up here. I don't know. I should throw this in the washer and see if that'll come out. I don't know. It looks kind of like paint. Guess we'll find out. It's probably marker, but it's, you know, about 1.25 yards, a little over 1 yard. So yeah, it's nice fabric actually, but yeah, that was about all I could find. I did find a little charm pack, and this was $4, but it's just some cottons. I just liked the colors. I liked the prints. Here's, you know what, I'll just take them out. They're probably fat quarters. Let's see. There's one. Yeah, they're fat quarters. There's one. Oh, this is so pretty. I don't know where, like, there are no salvages, I don't think, so no idea on designers, but oh, that one's so pretty. They're all so pretty. Good grief. I'm gonna have to learn how to quilt. And then this one. I think I may have something like this, or at least I have some colors like this in fat quarters. Yeah, so that was $4 for 4 fat quarters, so they're about $1 a piece. Not a great deal, but you know, it's fine. Okay, then I got patterns, and I got some for me and some for Trish, so I'll let Trish show you hers. But I found Butterick 4262, which is a pin tucked dress. I really like those line drawings. I like the idea that it's pin tucked, and this is from 2004. Has kind of a 1990s-ish kind of look to it, to me. New Look 6871 is pretty new, I think. It might even still be in the books. If it is, I'll put it on the screen, but it looks like this. And I like this a lot. I like this little top. That just, it has all kinds of options there, and I like that a lot. It does have a back yoke with some gathering. Butterick 5360 is some crop tops, so I would probably lengthen these. This is from 2009, I think. Yeah. But I like the one with the pin tucks because I'm on a pin tuck kick lately, I guess. That's just really cute with that little bell sleeve. More pin tucks. Butterick 5349 is a pin tucked dress. And there are the line drawings. Now this is made in an interesting way. I took the insides out and they were all kind of scrunched up, and so I ironed them. And this is cut in such a way that you have the top here, like at the shoulder seams, and it's cut like down like that. So you've got strips coming up, and you sew the strips together, and that's what forms the pin tucks. This is from, oh, I just told you it's 2009. Yeah. Interesting way to do it, when you could just draw a line and say stitch a 1/2 inch from the line or 1/4 inch from the line or whatever. But anyway, yeah, pin tucks. Simplicity 8920, I think, is in the books right now. Cute top, sleeve options going on there. I think view A, no, this is view B, has ruffles, I think, going up the side of the sleeve. Yeah, I don't know, but anyway. And then Simplicity 8613 is a Mimi G pattern, but I liked the fact that it's a raglan shirt and that it's, you know, it's unisex, which I like a raglan shirt. If I'm gonna wear a t-shirt, I like a raglan shirt. And this is extra small to extra large. So I could actually, if I wanted to, I could make my husband and I matching shirts. He would hate that. Oh my goodness. Shauna Alexander sent me a little package in the mail, and it was just so kind of her. She said she was going to send it, and then she had something happen, and she got back to me and said, I'm so sorry I haven't sent it. And I thought, I had totally forgotten. Because gifts are not things that you count on. You don't expect someone to show up at your house every day with a gift for you. You just don't do that. A gift is an unexpected pleasure, and that's exactly what this was. So thank you again, Shauna, because you know how much I appreciated these. She sent me some patterns. You'll see why this is so important to me. Kwik Sew 860, and I looked for a date on this and could not find one, but it's just a child's snowsuit, which I have a feeling that baby is gonna need. And the rest are all Laura Ashley. I've got McCall's 8698 from 1983. It's just a dress with, this is a Pintux. It does. This is the vacation of Pintux. And then, let's see, McCall's 8433, and this is from 1983. It is a jacket and a blouse and a skirt. Very cute. McCall's 4760, I can already tell you this was from the 70s. Yeah, 1976, is a jumper, a blouse, and a jacket. This jacket makes it look like it's more of a dress, but it's not. It's actually a jumper with these straps, and so then the jacket comes down, and it's very period costume drama kind of thing, you know? Yeah, so 1976. And the last one is McCall's 8445. This is from 1983, and it's a little girl's dress. I love Laura Ashley so much. That's why this means so much to me. Thank you again, Shauna. Now, the last thing I have to show you is from a wonderful place on Etsy called The Rabbit and Toad. And that sticker has some sparkle to it. This was a birthday gift. And it had all kinds of treasures in it. And there was a little card, and it says, "To the best mom ever, thank you for supporting the Rabbit and Toad." This is my daughter Emma's shop, and she sells earrings currently. Probably there will be more, but she made these. I don't know if you can see them, but there they are. They're a little, well, let me just take one out and I'll hold it up and show you. They are hoops with just this little dewdrop, kind of teardrop thing on it. There. And she formed the ear, bought wire and made the hoop. And I love these. So she decided that she would do some other things. Now she has these earrings available as posts or a ladder back fastener. I don't even know what you'd call it. Or you can get rings, which these are the rings. And so she gave me these. And she gave me these, which are beautiful. They're like opal. And again, these are hoops. And then I have a little, I've opened all these and she rewrapped them for me so I could show you the packaging she uses, which is so cute. Oh, it's just so charming, you know? This is, it really is, it's so cute. I love these. I love, love, love these. These are the same hoops, the wires that these are made of, except this is stronger wire, so yeah, I love that. And then this is yet another pair. She was really good to me. And her shop, I'm gonna list it below so that you can have a look and visit in case you'd like to. And these are the last pair. This is a pair of butterflies. And they are also hoops. She knows that I like the ladder back hoops. So, but they also come in posts if you'd rather have them that way. So go have a look at her shop, because this is just, you know, she thought of everything. Oh man, I love those. She really did think of everything. Her packaging is so sweet and nice, and the shop, she's just thought of so many things. And what I'm so grateful for is that I put a crayon into her hand when she was 3, because this is what happens when you do that. She is actually an artist by trade. She is an animator, so she animates games and that kind of thing. And yeah, anyway, she's a great kid. I love her. She's my kid, and she's talented, and she's the best. So that was my vacation. Lots of stuff going on here. So yeah, I just wanted to share all of it with you because, you know, I love sharing stuff with you. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to share with you one of my prayer cards, which is from Psalm 8:1 that says, Lord, our Lord, how majestic is your name in all the earth. That is so true. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.